Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can change your videos background in the CapCut apps. So add your videos and then you can click on the videos and you can remove the background. Just select cutout, select remove background. Alright, the background has been removed and just click check mark and add the background that you want to add. Just click add icon, select photo, add, and so you can make the video as an overlay. Just click on the video and then select overlay and select the photo or image and adjust for the duration, the same link with the duration of the video. And here we go. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for watching.